Hello, today we're going to be installing the TLR-7 X on a firearm. First thing we always want to do is practice safety, so there's no ammunition in the area and our firearm has already been flagged. The next step in installing the TLR-7 X is to select the proper key. It comes with a key tree and also comes with one key already installed. Depending on your firearm, you may need to change keys. What I did before even installing a key was checked different ones because the notch in the rail may not be able to accommodate that specific key. So I tried different keys until I found one that worked. And then I've already installed it for us. The next step is to install it literally on the rail, always making sure that the notch in the key matches the notch on the firearm. That spring-loaded screw always opens the jaws up a little bit, makes it a bit easier to install. Once that slips into place, then I can hand tighten the spring-loaded screw on the side, and I use the included tool just to hand tighten. No need to over tighten, we just want a really snug fit. I've got the high switches installed. It comes included with high and low switches. I love the idea of the high switch on this side because it's easier to access the button. But on this side, it blocks my interest to get through the trigger guard. So I'm just going to change this one side. A really great thing is that I don't have to take the light off of the firearm to change switches. Using my included tool, I'll push the pin through, remove this switch, I'll grab my low switches, and there are definitely a difference. There's a left and a right. So I'm going to grab my right switch here, put it in place, push the pin back through using the side of our included tool, and there it is. It's all set up. Very last step, we want to install our battery. In the case of the TLR-7 X, it is a true dual fuel product. You can use either the rechargeable SLB9 made by Streamlight, of course, or you can use a lithium CR123A battery. There is a graphic on the side that shows us how that battery should go in. Positive in first. Return the face cap. As you're tightening it down, you'll notice that there's a slight divot. What that means is it's called safe mode. So if I try to activate my light, it won't turn on. And that's great for when you have it in storage in your gun bag and there's no accidental activation. Tighten it the rest of the way and it activates.